क्या आप स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी विजिट करने का प्लान कर रहे हो और आपको पता ही नहीं कहाँ स्टे करें, कौन सा रिजॉर्ट है जो फैमिली के लिए सूटेबल हो, वो भी बजट फ्रेंडली हो? हम आपको लेके आए हैं फैमिली रिजॉर्ट विच इज लोकेटेड नियर आइकॉनिक स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी इन एकता नगर। सो वेलकम टू विला यूफोरिया रिजॉर्ट इन एकता नगर, गुजरात। This resort having around 34 comfortable and well-appointed rooms with modern furnishing and cozy interiors. Also, swimming pool, 24 hours reception, on-site restaurant serving local and multi-cuisine meals, plus in-room dining options, free parking and Wi-Fi, garden spaces, of course, welcoming hospitality make it ideal for families, couples and groups. This resort is conveniently placed near major attractions around the Statue of Unity area like Statue, Butterfly Garden, Unity Glow Garden, Jungle Safari. So let me take you to the one of the tallest statue of the world, Statue of Unity in Ekta Nagar. So it was a wonderful stay over here. As a family, I suggest this property to stay whenever you plan to visit its Statue of Unity, Ekta Nagar. For more details, you can contact on this number.